Question 15. Share 350 meters in the ratio of 3 to 7. Now, when you're sharing a number into a ratio always means unequal sharing. So when we're sharing something, we always think of sharing something equally, but ratio, you can share it unequally. So it's like we're going to end up with two answers and they're not going to be the same because there's an unequal share. So what I suggest you do first is you write down the two numbers in the ratio and drop an arrow off both numbers, and you follow the 4 steps at the side. So we've got 3 parts and 7 parts. If we add those parts together, 3 plus 7 gives us 10 parts. So we get the total number of parts first. But then we need to divide the 350 meters into the 10 parts. So we're going to do 350 meters divided by 10. Well, 350 divided by 10 is 35 meters in each part. So if each part is 35 meters, that's then what you multiply the numbers in the ratio by. So we're going to be multiplying by that 35. So this first number of the ratio is 3 parts, and each part's 35. So that's 3 lots of 35 and 7 lots of 35. So 3 lots of 35, well, 3 30s is 90, and 3 5s is 15. 90 and 15 is 105. And 7 30s is 210, and 7 5s is 35. 210 plus 35 is 245. You could check both of those with a column method if you were struggling. Obviously, they've both got meters on the end. And then the only thing to be done then is to check. You've actually answered the question, but to know if you can know yourself if this is right by checking to see if your two answers at the end add up to what you started with. So does 245 add 105 equal what we started with? 5 add 5 is 10, 4 nothing and 1 is 5, 2 and 1 is 3. So yes, it does. It adds up to what we started with. Therefore, these two answers are the correct answers.